Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome to the session all of you. Hello everyone, I hope I'm clearly audible and live now. Yeah, I think I'm live now. So part 3 of ratio and its applications. So 0 to Zenith batch का ये portions है, these are the sessions for that batch. So I started with ratio का topic, ratio and its applications, and in the upcoming sessions we'll be discussing direct inverse variation and then averages, mixtures, allegations, replacement and removal questions, and so on. Okay, everything related to this ratio topic will be covering in the upcoming sessions. So if you have missed the previous two sessions, do watch the previous two sessions, applications 1 and ratio and its applications 2. All right, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to the Unacademy CAT-alyst channel and like the session. Now you can join me for my special classes on the Unacademy platform using this code. Okay, so you will get free special classes. You can use this code and unlock. You'll get the profile link on the description of this video, so you can use that link, visit the Unacademy profile and access all the videos for free जो special classes में है using this code. All right. So quickly, this is my background, and I've been teaching since the last 5 years, and not long back I was at your place preparing for this exam. So I also have gone through the same process that you will be going through in the next year. So I try and share my experiences in my classes so that at least you can learn from the things that benefited me and the things that I did, like mistakes that I did. At least you will be aware of that. I have seen others do some mistakes. I can make you aware about that. So that is what is the value offering that I try and bring into my classes. This is a 25% off on CAT subscription 12 months and above के लिए, and you can use my code and get access to this 25% discount. January 12 से 18 तक है, तो anyone who is planning for a plus or an iconic subscription, do use this code and take a discount. Very happy to announce this results on Unacademy. This time the results were fantastic, and I hope all of you take motivation from this, because if they could do it, you can also do it. You have a year with you. जो 2023 aspirants, if you would be watching this, you have almost a year from now. So never give up. Try and prepare in the best possible way. Give yourself this chance. Okay, do everything that is needed, and definitely you will see you'll get the success. एंड ये स्कॉलरशिप है अनअकैडमी कैट 2023 स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट, एक 15th जनवरी को है और एक 29th जनवरी को है. सो डू पार्टिसिपेट because you get very good discounts based on your ranks on the scholarship test. And a quick update, this is my course that recently I have started. It's a comprehensive arithmetic course, and in this course we'll be covering like 1500 plus questions, and this course will be like 39 sessions and plus 3 quizzes. Okay, full arithmetic course coverage it will be there, and we'll have 4 sessions per week. So abhi just start हुआ है. So if you are planning to cover arithmetic in a systematic way, this is the course for you. You don't have to solve any single question beyond this. ये 1500 questions अच्छे से करोगे, so class exercises you will be getting DPPs, daily practice papers, and then you will be getting assignments. Okay, so you'll get questions in these many ways. And फिर तो topic test भी है Unacademy में, topic test भी है, sectional tests will also be like there, but abhi sectional test जाना नहीं है. You get lots of content on the channel itself, so do not be tempted to buy different books and resources. Sometimes क्या होता है, we just keep collecting resources and then rarely we use them. So keep your sources limited, but try and make the best use of it. उसमें ज़्यादा फायदा है, ठीक है. So if you want, you can join this course. Just start हुआ है, एक ही क्लास हुआ है इसका. चलो, without further delay, let us start. अरे ये थोड़ा ऊपर चला गया, just a second. All right. A string is cut into 2 parts. So there is this string, and this string is cut into 2 parts. आज बस questions थोड़ा बहुत करेंगे. रेशियो का जितना कॉन्सेप्ट चाहिए, रेशियो का, प्रोपोर्शन का, कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन, द रूल्स, कंपैरिजन ऑफ रेशियो, हाउ टू अप्रोच द क्वेश्चंस, how to assume values, everything I have discussed. Please watch the previous 2 sessions also. Now this is a string and it is cut into 2 parts such that the ratio of the lengths of the complete string and the smaller part. So let us say ये 2 parts हो गया. This is the larger part and this is the smaller part. तो complete string कितना part हो जाता है? L plus S. Question is saying ratio of the lengths of the complete string L plus S and the smaller part S. This is 20 times the ratio of the lengths of the smaller part and the larger part. तो एक ही इक्वेशन है बट वी हैव टू पैरामीटर्स L and S. Can we uniquely calculate both? No. But do we need to calculate both? Let us see that. Find the ratio of the length of the string and the square of the length of the smaller part. So if you take this, it becomes L plus S by S square is equal to 20 by L. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या कर लिया? Alternando basically. Exactly alternando तो नहीं, बस इसको यहाँ पे ले आया. Now given that in the question length of the longer part is 4 centimeter. तो यहाँ पे L को अगर 4 centimeter पुट करते हो तो L plus S by S square is how much? 5:1. क्वेश्चन काफी सिंपल है, पढ़ के ऐसा लगेगा कि वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई L एंड S में कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रिलेशन. यू डोंट नीड टू यूनिकली कैलकुलेट L कितना है, S कितना है. वी डोंट नीड दैट ऑल्सो. जस्ट डायरेक्टली इसको यहाँ पे ले आओ एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट. डायरेक्ट, दैट इज इट. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. Let us come to this one. 2 tanks of similar volume are full of a mixture of milk and water. So there are 2 tanks. Here tank 1 suppose, and this is tank 2. In the first tank, the ratio of milk to water is 5:8. ठीक है. And in the second tank, the ratio of milk to water is 7:19. Now if both these tanks are poured in a larger tank, what would be the resultant ratio of milk and water? Now think about this. यहाँ पे ये total 13 parts है and ये 26 parts है. So what I'll take is let each tank is of 26 liters. So tank 1 26 liters जिसमें से milk and water are in the ratio 5:8. So milk is 10 liters, water is 16 liters. And tank 2 is 26 liters where milk and water are in the ratio 7:19. So milk is 7 liters, water is 19 liters. So total milk is how much? If you pour everything, क्योंकि similar volume दिया है इसीलिए मैंने दोनों को same लिया. And by 26 ये 13 and 26 का LCM मैंने ले लिया. So that it would be convenient for me to break it into parts. That is what you need to learn in the ratio topic. तो milk कितना हो जाता है? 10 plus 7 17 liters. And total water is how much? 16 plus 19. So 35. And resultant ratio of milk to water is 17:35. This was a previous CAT question. This is the resultant ratio of milk and water. Previous CAT question this one is. Okay, काफी easy question है. And think yourself, we should have done this in the exam. आराम से ये करना चाहिए था ऐसे question. Let's take a look at this. A vessel is full of a mixture of methanol and ethanol. तो मान लो इसको मैं M ले लेता हूँ and इसको E ले लेता हूँ. In which there is 20% ethanol. So there is a mixture of M and E. जहाँ पे E is 20%, so M is 80%. 10 liters of the mixture are drawn off and filled with methanol. तो यहाँ से मैं 10 liters माइनस कर लेता हूँ. तो ये 10 liters जब तुम माइनस करोगे उसमें 8 liters हो जाएगा methanol and 2 liters हो जाएगा ethanol. क्योंकि 8:2 रेशियो में प्रेजेंट है तो उसी रेशियो में बाहर आएगा. तो 10 liters तुमने माइनस किया and then you are filling it with methanol, and उसके बाद you are adding 10 liters of methanol. So what is the resultant? methanol था 80%, ethanol का कुछ तो चेंज नहीं हुआ, हाँ 2 liters चेंज हो गया था. Now if the ethanol is now 15%, यहाँ पे ethanol अभी resultant में हो गया 15%, तो methanol हो गया 85%. So what is the capacity of the vessel? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जितना मिक्सचर था यहाँ पे भी उतना ही है, मतलब टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ द मिक्सचर तो चेंज नहीं हुआ, बट मैं 10 लीटर से रिमूव रिप्लेस जब कर रहा हूँ तो तुम्हारा एथेनॉल इज नाउ 15%. तो रिमूव रिप्लेस क्या हुआ, मिक्सचर रिमूव होकर मेथेनॉल रिप्लेस किए. तो देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला, ये रिमूवल रिप्लेसमेंट में पढ़ोगे तो ये पता चलेगा 1 माइनस एक्स बाई एल टू द पावर एन. तो ये फाइनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ एथेनॉल इट इज 15, इनिशियली इट वाज 20, तो 1 माइनस कितना रिमूव हुआ था 10 लीटर्स, L इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द कंटेनर. तो बस इसे सॉल्व कर देना है. 3/4 इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 10/L, और I get 10/L is equal to 1/4, hence L is equal to 40. Again this is a very direct question, but यहाँ पे removal replacement का ये formula है. We'll read removal replacement topic in detail. अभी के लिए बस इसको ऐसे mind में रखो. Those of you know, no problem. Those of you don't know, don't worry. I'll take this in detail. These are like extensions of the ratio topic. एवरेज में वहाँ पे भी रेशियो आएगा, मिक्सचर्स में तो टोटल रेशियो चलता है, एलिगेशन आएगा, देन एलिगेशन का नेक्स्ट स्टेप रिमूवल रिप्लेसमेंट, वेयर यू रिप्लेस समथिंग एंड लाइक फर्स्ट यू रिमूव एंड देन रिप्लेस इट विद समथिंग. ऑल दीज आर लाइक एक्सटेंशंस ऑफ द रेशियो टॉपिक. लाइक रेशियो एंड परसेंटेज ये दो ऐसे एरियाज हैं, इनको जस्ट एक चैप्टर जैसे मत सोचो, हर चैप्टर में ये दोनों टॉपिक्स कैसे भी करके इंक्लूड हो जाता है, बी इट TSD, बी इट टाइम एंड वर्क, बी इट मिक्सचर एलिगेशन, everywhere these two topics will be integrated anyway. All right, so hope this makes sense. People who have joined me right now, do like the session. So these are some questions I wanted to discuss. तो ratio का 3 part में I have covered just the basics, preliminary basics of ratio, proportion and the comparison of ratio, and उसको लेके क्या क्या questions बन सकते हैं. So if you have missed the previous 2 sessions, do watch them. A quick batch announcement. 0 to Zenith Batch just recently start हुआ था. These are the USPs of the batch. Regularly every month 1-2 batches आते रहते हैं, and ये एक repeaters batch start हो रहा है January 16th को. So anyone who has taken CAT 2022 but again if you are repeating, decided to repeat, so this is the batch for you. And to join any batch you need a plus and an iconic subscription, कोई भी ले सकते हो, and if you use my code you get a 25% discount. GDPI का बैच रिसेंटली स्टार्ट हुआ है फॉर 2022 अचीवर्स, जिन लोगों का अच्छा परसेंटाइल आया है एंड प्लानिंग फॉर एडमिशन दिस ईयर, यू नीड टू गो थ्रू दिस प्रोसेस. व्हाट GDPI, तो उसका बैच 10 जनवरी से स्टार्ट हुआ है, तो ज्वाइन दैट इफ यू हैवंट येट. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हो. एंड ये अनअकैडमी का टेस्ट सीरीज है जो अभी स्पेशल लॉन्च प्राइस ऑफ 999 में अवेलेबल है. So you can take this, you will get 25,000 plus questions apart from full length mock test, sectional test and everything. So if you are planning to like have a test series with you and अपना खुद से तुम पढ़ रहे हो, so you can at least take the test series and it will assist you because you will get a lot of like question pool to practice from. ठीक है. So the upcoming sessions would be ये तो ratio and its application हो गया, direct and inverse variation हो जाएगा next topic. And then we will take averages, then mixtures and alligation, and then the next topic is removal and replacement. ये 2 sessions होगा इसका. All the sessions have already like been scheduled, तो आगे every day एक session होगा and same time. ठीक है. So do join me in my sessions. If you are new to the channel, hope you understood and got some insight from this. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा आज कोई मैं concept पढ़ाया नहीं, I just did some questions. So please watch ratio 1 and 2 if you want to learn the concept. बहुत ही basic level से कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कोई all of a sudden we are not taking any difficult question, so don't worry worry about that part. So we'll meet again in another session very soon. Till then, keep practicing, keep studying. Thank you. Bye bye.